If you're struggling with losing weight, following a diet, going up and down on a roller coaster, and you can never attain your goals, you just look in the mirror and you're just disappointed in what you see and who you see, well, guess what? 10 Fit Secret Society is finally launching. It's going to help you to stay on track and be accountable. Now, it is all on an app, so it's very easy to stick to the goals. All you have to do is follow the plan, all in your hands. How easy is that? In our Secret Society, you are going to get a monthly habit coaching program. Then you're also going to be getting a fitness program, plus so much more. We also have monthly coaching. Oh, and that's not it. There is so much more that goes on into this monthly membership that's going to help you to kickstart your health journey. So make sure you hurry up and sign up, because this deal is going away real fast. And once it's gone, all the specials are going to be gone with it. So please hurry up, because I don't know how much longer I can hold off on this price. It's a steal. It's a steal. Anywho, I will talk to you guys later, and I hope to see you in our Secret Society.